Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi, and yes, this is the set we did yesterday. And I thought we would take a look at her one more time real quick, because when I talked to you guys about the practice hands last week, I really didn't think about showing you how I take the nails off. And that's probably just as important as being able to put the nails on. So I just thought I would come and show you how I do that. And I use this very specialized fancy nail tool called pliers. You probably have a set in your junk drawer. And what I do is just squeeze the back of her finger. It doesn't leave any marks. It doesn't ruin her. And boom, that's it. It's that simple. They pop right off. And once in a while, if you didn't do a really good job with your structure, you may snap one. So be careful. And like here, if some polygel or polish got a little stuck to her, a simple filing will, it just crumbles off. It doesn't, you almost don't even get down to her. It just, you can see it just crumbles away. So it's really easy to clean her up and get her ready. And in case there's any, and you can see there's a little bit of base coat still on there. So I just come in and knock that off with the file, and she is ready to go for another set. Clean her up, base coat her, and boom, Bob's your uncle. Bob's your uncle. I wonder where that came from. What a weird thing to say. But we've said it here today. So there you go. So now what we're going to do is build a nail, and this nail is going to be an encapsulation with that beautiful black glitter that's really blacky purpley, which is why I ended up adding a little purple to this. I thought it was just black, but as I was looking at it while I was building this set, I realized it was partially purple, which is why that glitter mix that I wanted to be pink a while back was more purple than I wanted it to be. So back on the hunt for a really dark black. If you guys know where one is, let me know. I'm going to show you the name of this glitter, so if you're at the store and you think this one is fully black, don't be fooled, because it ain't. There you go. That's just how that is. It's not. It's purpley, and that's beautiful, and I love it. Purple's my favorite color, but, you know, if you want to mix red with it, that's not going to work. If you want to, you know, if you want to have black and something else, you're really not going to make that happen. So now I'm just going to come in with a slip layer, and then we're going to pop some glitter on there. Hey, sweetheart, I'm doing a video. Please don't do that. We've got some growling over here. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. No. He will start barking, and I'll have to start over. And we're about to hit that glitter. It's about to happen. Ooh, that was a little fuzzy. That was a little fuzzy wuzzy was a bear. Let's just admire the glitter. Oh, so pretty. But you can see it's a little, it more looks black here, but you can see, look down in there, there's a purpleness to it. Now I did want to show you that I made a mistake here. I should have double cured it and I didn't. And it's still wet there, and so the glitter didn't stick. And I thought I was going to be able to just pop it on there. No. So I just went on ahead and poured it and popped it back in the lamp and gave it another 3 minutes because oopsidy doopsidies. I was watching burlesque, and that's me drumming to the beautiful people, the beautiful people. There it is. That's the glitter. It just says glitter, non-toxic, extra fine, onyx. I don't really know the brand name, but everybody's seen that kind. So if you think that's pure black, it ain't. You can see right there, it's got a purpleness to it. Ooh, excuse me, tickle in my throat. Now we're just going to encapsulate this in some pink because I really need to order some white. Guys, I'm thinking about ordering those fingers from Max Estrada. You know it'll take 2 to 3 weeks to get it in, but I think I'm going to like them, and it may be worth the wait. So if I like them, it's more than worth the wait. I waited longer than that for Patsy and for Dolly, and I only slightly love them. I mean, I love them. Don't get me wrong. I love them. You can really see that purple popping out now when you put the brightness of the builder gel on it. Wow. Wow. My brain just farted right before your very eyes. So there was that. That happened. That was a thing today. Oh, that coffee really, oh my goodness. Sorry, I had to go for another sip. That was really delicious. Guys, I just started a Pinterest. If you're on Pinterest, look for me. It's Down for Glam. Pinterest / Down for Glam. I'm surprised no one's ever used the name before. So my daughter came up with the name Down for Glam, and I really love it. And I didn't like the apex on that. I don't think I gave her enough upside down time. So we are going in. Can you see how the sides sort of went? Oh, look at how I just got some on her skin. Bad, Gigi. Oh, but you can see how it flattened out because I didn't spend enough time upside down with her. So that was another bad Gigi moment. Now we're back and everything is ready for polish. And we're going to do pink on this first one, but we're going to do a bright, just super fun, girly girl pink. Not light, it's kind of a hot pink, but a light hot pink, I guess. It's a hot pink. But there are deeper hot pinks too, so, which lean into fuchsia, I guess. Into fuchsia. And then we're going to do black on these other two nails because we're going to make this set a little bit dark. Just something about a long black stiletto nail, isn't there? Got a little ugly up there. I want to clean that up. Honestly, the real main reason why I want one of the better hands, or two main reasons, really two, let's keep it real, is A, the cuticles. They just look better, and you can practice better. You get a better practice on the cuticle area when you have to deal with a cuticle that is more like a human being's cuticle. So I want that experience. And then also, just for the pictures, just for the Instagram, just for how pretty the nails look on the model. So I'm thinking about ordering one, guys. It's only like $20. I'm hoping he's not like sold out of them already or anything. So this is 2 coats. I didn't do a second coat on camera. Do you guys prefer the first coat on camera or the second coat on camera? Let me know. Now I'm coming in with a top coat. It looks shiny, but don't be fooled because this is some matte top coat. I also need to order a new matte top coat because I'm obsessed now. And I'm going to run this little tiny bottle out quick. I love the matte top coat. And there they are, matte. And now we're going to come in and draw some hearts. And let me tell you right now, my intention had not been to glitter these hearts. But the polish did not show up as much on the black as I really wanted it to. So I decided if I glitter it, I bet that the color shows through that cleary white glitter that I have. It's sort of white, but it's sort of clear. And that it would look real pretty. And I have to say, I think the effect is just darling. I really, really love it. Now, if you're one of those girls that don't like textured nails, this isn't your set. But if you like cute nails, you like darker nails, and you really are not worried about, you know, it bothering your hair or anything. I didn't show drawing this one. I'm just putting the glitter on there, because it's pretty much the same process. I do show the purple ones though. And we're going to do those right now after I wipe this one off. And that one is sort of off the side a little bit, that other pink one. But you can see how the pink really shines through inside that glitter. I really love it. I'm sorry I forgot to turn the camera on when I put glitter on that first heart. You only see it on the second. So you see me draw the first heart and glitter the second heart. Now here we are coming in with the purple, and again, the only reason I did purple is because of the purple tinge to the glitter on the other nail. And then we are going to make another one at the bottom of the other nail. And these are kind of roundy hearts. At first I thought maybe I'd do kind of Salvador Dali style hearts, but as soon as I started drawing, I knew we were going to stay cute. And now we're going to do black ones on the pink nail. And honestly, the hearts were a lot easier to draw than I thought they were going to be. I really thought I was going to struggle. And the very first heart just came out. And from there, I just started trusting myself. I just draw that little V and then curve it around. And voila, you have a little heart. It really is not that hard. So if you're intimidated by those, please just give it a try. It's not that hard. It really isn't. Now, I did make a mistake here, and I forgot to top coat that nail before I did the black. And I wanted the black to stand out, so this is what I did. I'm going to go ahead and double top coat this nail so it's a little more smooth. But first I'm going to show you the top coat on this nail. Ah! And then we're going to come in here and double top coat this one. And then I'm going to come in with just some top coat. And we are going to paint that heart shape again, fill it in, and I'm going to be really generous so that there's a nice place for that glitter to hit. And honestly, I kind of wish that I had used the black, but I didn't. It was a mistake on my part. I'm going to admit that. But we're going to come in with that same glitter and knock it off. And then we're going to do that. It's still cute. Don't get me wrong. It's cute. It is super cute. I love this set. But I think it would have been more special with the black. There you go. And I hope you like this set. Please let me know what you do or don't like about it. Do you agree? Should I use the black glitter? Thank you guys so much for watching. You know what? Anything you do to help me grow this community, I really am super grateful for that. I appreciate it so much. So go ahead and hit whatever buttons that you like, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. I'm going to keep it Valentine's for tomorrow, so we'll see you then.